love. How are you? Oh my God. Oh. Cozy emoji is going cuckoo with Chloe. Hello? 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 Oh my God. Cozy.
He's smiling.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Cozy. Come on. Come on. Jimoji. Cozy emoji. Cozy emoji.
What kind of cake do you think we should get for Tita J?
Red velvet.
Red velvet?
You think so? She likes red velvet? Or is that the cake that you like?
No, I feel like everyone likes red velvet. It's amazing.
Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Happy birthday. Yay! Come on, sit.
Oh, do you want to see the rice? I like it.
I know. Hey, come here. First, honey. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! I have this one. I want the really stupid one. I want this one. I want this one. This one. This one. I also want. No, I want her. Look, the twin star. What's her name again? I forgot her name. She's one of the twin stars. You see the girl?
See? I'm just waiting for you to say that. Ah, nice. Oh, they have a mask, Chloe.
Oh, look. Who do I look like? Who do I look like with the sweater? Who do I look like with the sweater?
Gianna.
No, wrong.
Okay.
Chishia.
Who's Chichia?
I think Chishia.
What now?
Orbido.
Come on, Isa.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo,
Okay.
apat,
Yes.
lima,
Mm-hmm.
anim,
Yeah.
pito, walo, siyam, sampo.
Yes, very good. Labing isa? Labing isa.
Labing isa,
Labing dalawa.
labing dalawa,
Labing tatlo.
labing tatlo,
Labing apat.
labing apat,
Labing lima.
labing
Lima.
lima,
Labing anim.
labing
Anim.
anim,
Labing pito.
labing pito, anim,
Walo.
walo,
Labing walo.
walabing bambong,
Labing
labing
walo.
walo,
Labing siyam.
labing siyam,
20.
dalawa,
It means to say 2 tens.
dalawawa,
Dalawang po.
dalawang po.
There you go. Very good.
Slay.
It's 5:38 right now, and having a snowstorm today. I just left the subway station. It looks like buses are limited right now, so I just decided to go for a walk from Wilson Station to our place. It would probably take me at about 20 to 30 minutes walk in this winter. We'll see if I can make it 25 minutes, but my goal is to be home safe. If I'm going to stay at Wilson Station and wait for the bus, that will take forever. I have class tonight and I don't know if I'm going to make it, but anyways, it's just one day. So yeah, all right, let's go have some walk in this snowstorm. At least I'm not alone. I'm not the only one who's walking. I guess a lot of people decided to walk too. So yeah, I have company. The walkway right now is cleared. I'm so glad that they shoveled the walkway, so it is pretty comfortable walking. It's not as bad, but probably late in the evening, the snow will probably goes to 10 centimeter to 20 centimeter. Hopefully not, but yeah. Anyways, tomorrow I'll work from home, so I don't have to worry about it. It's just right now I miss already my class, and but yeah. Oh God. I got stuck. Here, 6:23 p.m. and home safe.
What do you got there? Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one. Let me see. Bring it here. Look at me. Let me take a picture. Look. Come. Okay. That's a good one.
Well, guess what?
Oh! Yeah. Woo! Oh, close to the fence. That was good.
Whoa! Oh, that was so fun. I twisted.
Yeah. I spin you so you could stop.
I spin!
I know.
That's fun. It's easier to spin. Spin.
So I had to twist you.
Twist me, yeah.
Yeah.
Twist me!